In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to make changes and add them on a branch. So suppose I have this repo over here, and you can check from here also that it's showing that it contains three branches: a master, a develop one, and a develop two branch. Also, you can have a look at it from here and change it accordingly. So in my develop two branch, I have changed my readme and it shows a login page like this. When I'll go to develop one branch, in my readme I have a login page like this. So if you guys want to work on one of these login pages, one of these prototypes, then you're most welcome. And we'll not directly work with the master branch. We'll not take any changes that you might commit on the master branch. So work on the branches that have been created. So for that, first clone or download this repository onto your system. So I've copied it to the clipboard and I'll open my Git Bash and I'll go to my Android Studio projects directly. In here I'll change my directory. I have changed my directory already, so let me see. Yes, I am at the right place. So I'm just gonna do a git clone and we'll press shift and insert, because this is what works in Git Bash for pasting. Or you can just right click and it will show you the options. So I've used shift insert instead, and then I'm clicking on enter. So it's cloning my demo app inside my Android Studio projects directly, and in just a few seconds we are ready. So over here I'll do an ls to show that indeed we have the demo app right here with us. So it's here, as you can see, the demo app, the second one. And let's do an ls to ensure that the whole directory has been copied. So I'm inside demo app, and yes, we have the whole project. So what do we have to do is simply go to our Android Studio and open up the project. Now I am inside my Android Studio. I'll go to File and open the demo app that we had just cloned. I'll press OK, and in just a few moments the Gradle will open it up for me. So here we are, and this is the rest directory. I'll open up the activity main and also the main activity. So we have given you some kind of a code in here already, a text view. As you can see over here, this is what the text view is rendering in my design tab. If you wanna edit some changes into it, let's say if you wanna type in and edit text, so I'll quickly type it out for you, and I'm just gonna give a hint of name, and also let's change the text size to 24 sp. Let's see the changes. So our edit text is here. Now I'm gonna save it, and if I wanna add these changes to one of the branches that you're working on, so for that, first fork this repository, make it all yours. So in just a few seconds, here we are. We also have three branches, and suppose you need to work on develop two branch. This is what you have chosen to be working on and appropriately have made the changes. So copy the link from here, go to your Git Bash. Now I'm in my master branch in the demo app directory. So I'll just do a quick status here. So you can see that I have modified my activity main. It's showing it to me. So I have to add these changes to the branch develop to, remember? So I'll do a git checkout command and write in the branch name. So you are in develop to branch now. If you want to go back to your master branch, you can do git checkout master and then again to git checkout because we want to work in develop to. So you are in here in develop to. So now add all the changes. I also did a commit git commit -m new changes, so it gave me the result that 3 files changed, 8 insertions and 1 deletions. Now I'm just gonna push these changes over to my repo. So I'm just gonna write origin, but this time the branch name is develop to, not master. So we'll have to wait. And yes, the changes have been stored and you can see over here that my develop to branch has been changed. So now create a pull request from over here, as you all know, new changes, and please write in the changes that you have done, like for example included edit text below text view, whatever you changes you have done in, and also write over here commit 1. So let us know how many commits you are sending to us so that we can keep a count, and please be honest because we'll be evaluating you anyway. So write down the number 1, 2 or 3 and so on, and please give us a full description of the changes that you have done which are different from the previous commit you had sent to us. So just click on create pull request and we'll be getting your commit on the branch develop to. If you are committing any changes in the master branch, sorry, we are not going to evaluate it. We'll only evaluate it on the branches that we would have formed. So this is all, and thank you for watching.